Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play the song Trust in You by Antoine Bradford. We'll be playing this song in the key of G. If you're a girl, you could probably put a capo maybe 2 or capo 4. And so let's get started. If perfect love casts out fear, then why should I ever be afraid? When I know that you'll always be right next to me. Still my vision's kind of blurry, and sometimes I can't see your head. But even in the darkest night, you'll always be there. So that's verse 1 and verse 2. The chord progression, it's going to be G. Then it's going to be E minor. And then C major 7. And then D. And then back to G. Okay? So the strumming pattern for this verse, it's going to be for all the verses. It's just going to be down strums. So you're going to do 2 down strums, and then the third down strum you're going to strum a little bit harder. For example, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So on the third one, it's a little harder. So you start with 2 soft down strums, and then the third one harder, and then 3 soft down strums, and then another one that's harder, right? 2. So that's the strumming pattern. You're going to be switching to the E minor after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then switch. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then to your D. And then you're going to play the verse 2 the same way. 'Cause when I trust in you, I do the thing that I was made to do, to live a life that fully rests in you, and all your promises for me. Oh, when I trust in you, when I trust in you, when I trust in you, when I trust in you. And then right there you do that, and then it's going to go back to the verse 3, right? It's very similar. The strumming pattern is pretty much the same throughout the whole song. The only difference here is for the chords progression, right? It's going to be changing a little bit. So it starts with a G, because when I trust in you, right? You stay on the G. I do the thing that I was, to the E minor, made to do, right? To live a life that fully, and then to your C chord, rest in you, and all your promises for me. So on me, you're going to play A minor, which is your 2, right? A minor 7. And all your promises for me. Oh, when I, and then you're going to go back to the G. Trust So right, you're gonna be playing G, and then on the next truss you're gonna be playing E minor, and then you're gonna go to your C chord. Trust in you when I. On the last one, on the last truss, you're gonna go to your D chord. Trust in you. So on U, you're gonna go back to your G. Okay. It's gonna be the same thing as verse 1 and verse 2 for verse 3. Just repeat it. We won't go over it. And then you go after that verse 3, you go back to the chorus, right, which we already went over. After the chorus, we're going to do the outro, which is the end of the song. There is no bridge. For the outro, you're going to just be singing When I Trust in You. You're just going to be repeating it. When I trust in you. When I trust in you. Right? E minor. And when I see in you. A minor. When I trust in you. Oh, when I trust in you. When and then you're gonna repeat that chorus, right? And then that's pretty much the song. It continues with Trust in You, and it ends with that outro. So that's pretty much it for this song. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, please leave a comment. I enjoy making these types of videos and content for you guys. So be sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. I'll sing